there, my fellow Scorpios. Welcome back again to my channel and welcome back to your reading. Hope you guys having an amazing day today. Thank you for joining me here. Thanks as well for supporting to my channel. And I am now held live in one of the farm in Western Europe. Inside my car, of course. The weather is not so good. I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to all of you, especially to those who subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much as well to all my soul family and soul tribes. Thank you for your support. And to those who are new here, welcome. Cross watchers are also welcome. This is a timeless and general energy reading for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. So here we go. Divine God and Goddess of all beings, divine ancestors, divine spirits, spirits of all animals, show me the cards what I need to see for the star sign of Scorpio. Universal energy for the star sign of Scorpio. What is going on with Scorpio? Who is coming towards Scorpio? Is there any love interest for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus? Show me the cards what I need to see, please. What are the possible energies ahead for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus? Please keep in mind that this is not a personal reading. This is a timeless and general energy reading for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And for some of you guys, it could not be your energy. So take only what fits in your story and don't manifest the rest, okay? Show me the cards what I need to see, please. What are the possible energies ahead for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus? Universal energy for the star sign of Scorpio. What is going on with Scorpio? What are the possible energies ahead for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus? Show me the cards what I need to see, please. Give me that accurate and clear reading for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. So my beautiful souls, Scorpio, let me see your card readings for today, guys. First, we have the Two of Cups. We also have the Eight of Cups. Just a minute. We also have the Eight of Cups and the Nine of Cups, the Ten of Cups, the Knight of Wells, the Wheel of Fortune, the Magician, the Eight of Swords, the Moon, the King of Cups. We also have the Ten of Wands. And at the bottom of the deck, we have the Page of Wands. So my beautiful souls, Scorpio, let me clarify your card readings for today, guys. Just a minute. Please keep in mind that this is not a personal reading. This is a timeless and general energy reading for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And for some of you guys, it could not be your energy. So take only what fits in your story and don't manifest the rest, okay? So, Let me see. The first foundation of your reading is the Two of Cups. Just a minute. Oh yeah. I don't have so much space. The Two of Cups. This is the first foundation of your reading. And this is your energy. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with the same sign, a water sign, Cancer. Or you are attracting a Cancer. Others of you, it could also be that you have a Cancer in your birth chart. I feel like this is the reunion of your soulmate. Could also be that this is also a divine counterpart. I feel also that both of you here having a duality. Both of you here are also divinely guided. And this meeting could be in Cancer season, or it could also be in spring season, because this is a cups. Yeah. Others of you, you are going to meet this person and you meet each other eye to eye, face to face. Both of you having the same chemistry and attraction. It could also be that this is your soulmate. A soulmate is not necessarily a lover. It could also be a family, a friend, or a lover. And this meeting could also lead into a platonic and or romantic relationship. Could be a water sign, Cancer. Could also be other sign. But you are going to meet each other, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Others of you guys, it could also be that you already met this person this spring season, because we are now in spring season. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here oh, I have to be very careful. The Eight of Cups. This is a Pisces energy. For some of you, it could also be that you are dealing with a Pisces, or you have a Pisces in your birth chart. It could also be other sign. I feel like somebody here is withdrawn in this scenario. Somebody here walk away. Could be that somebody here is emotionally detached. It could also be that somebody here giving too much in this relationship, and the other person is not reciprocated. Others of you, it could also be that there is a correlation with this Two of Cups. Because for some of you, you already met this person. Others of you, you are going to meet this person. To those who already met this person, I feel like somebody here is withdrawn in the scenario. Because could be there is no clarity, or somebody is emotionally detached. Either you are dealing with the same water sign, Pisces or Cancer. Take only what fits in the story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, okay? And we have here the Nine of Cups. This is again a Pisces energy. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Pisces, or you have a Pisces in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign. I feel like this is your energy. This is based on the situation. You have a wish fulfillment here. One of your wish is being granted. I don't know what you are wishing for, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. That's why they say, be careful of what you are wishing for. Because there is a wish fulfillment here. Others of you, it could also be that you already fulfilled your wish. It's just like you are feeling contented of what you have. And others of you, you are living a lavish life. You are living a hedonistic way of life. I don't know what job, my beautiful souls, is Scorpio, but I feel like somebody here has his or her wish granted. Or it could also be that you are the wish fulfillment of this person who embodied the energy of a Pisces. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here the 10 of Cups. This is, again, a Pisces energy. But normally this is related to home and family. Could also be a Cancer. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Pisces or a Cancer. Or it could also be that you have a Cancer or Pisces in your birth chart. Not all of you. And this is your energy in the near future. Around 3 to 6 months. I feel like this person viewed you as a marriage material. Could be a Pisces or Cancer. Could also be other sign. Could also be that this is your feelings towards this person. To Pisces or Cancer. And I feel like that for this person, you are his or her dreams to be the mother or the father of their kids. You look. Somebody here wants to settle down, to get married, to have a longer family relationship. This is stability and strong foundation. It could also be that this person wants to marry you. Or it could also be that this is your feelings towards this person who embody the energy of either Pisces or Cancer. Could also be other sign. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here the Knight of Wheels. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with... Oh my God, just a minute because the wind is so strong. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Capricorn. Or you have a Capricorn in your birth chart. There is a strong wind. Oh, please. Just a minute. I think everything is okay. Or you have a Capricorn in your birth chart. I feel like this is your energy. You are very ambitious. You have courage and perseverance to continue this. Creativity could also be a new investment or a business venture. And others of you, you want to continue what you have started. It could also be related to your career, a new studies. But I feel like you are pursuing what you have started because you believe that it will lend you to a financial success and stability. Or it could also be that this person who embodied the energy of a Capricorn wants to nurture this relationship, and this person is still working on his or her financial matters. This person wants to approach you slowly but surely. This is the Knight of Pentacles, which is the Knight of Wealth. Could be that you are dealing or attracting a Capricorn, or you have a Capricorn in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. Take only what fits in your story. This is your destined future energy around 12 months. And we have here the Wheel of Fortune. Yes. I love this card for you. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a 4 fixed sign. Leo, Taurus, Aquarius, and fellow Scorpios. I feel like this is the major changes in your life. This is the energy cycles, the rhythm of life. And the wheel is spinning in your favor, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. You have had good luck, good karma, and good fortune. And for some of you, it could also be that there are people in the past. These people who messed you up, who did you wrong, are now facing or receiving their karma for what they have done to you. Because the Wheel of Fortune is just like the Wheel of Karma. What goes around comes around. It could also be that there is an unexpected changes here in your life, unusual change. And I feel like it's difficult for you to change. You are finding difficulties to change because you are a fixed sign. Yeah. Especially when you are dealing as well with fixed signs and the zodiac signs, namely Taurus, Leo, Aquarius, and our fellow Scorpio. And the universe advises you here to embrace the change, because nothing is permanent except changes. The more you resist, the more your life gets harder. You need to embrace the change in your life, to trust the process of the universe. Take only what fits in your story, but rest assured that the luck is in your favor here. Remember, the wheel is spinning in your favor. And I'll have this card for you. There is good luck, good fortune, and good karma. If you are working hard, of course, the universe will pay off with your hard work. Take only what fits in your story, okay? This is the past experiences and influences in this reading. And what is your energy in your environment, either at home or in your workplace? For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Gemini or a Virgo, or you have a Virgo or Gemini in your birth chart. Not all of you. It could also be other sign. I feel like you have everything under your control. You have everything, whatever you manifest, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. The universe advises you to please don't waste your power. Yeah. You need to take an action, to trust and to believe yourself, and sometimes believe in magic, please. And trust the process of the divine universe. I feel like the will, I feel like the swords is your will and the power of your mind. You have all the tools needed to manifest whatever you want in your life. So don't waste your power to the breadcrumbs. You need to take an action. It's because if you will not take an action, these manifestations will remain as an illusion. Could also be that you are dealing with a Virgo or a Gemini, or you have Virgo or Gemini in your birth chart. For some of you, it could also be that these manifestations will come true during Virgo or Gemini seasons. Take only what fits in your story. Others of you guys, it could also be that this Virgo or Gemini are manifesting you to be in their lives. Could also be if this is your ex, this person, either Virgo or Gemini, manifesting you back in their lives. If this is a new person, this Virgo or Gemini manifesting you in their lives. Take only what fits in your story. It could also be that this person viewed you as a magician. This is your energy in your environment, either in your workplace or at home. You can manifest whatever you want. Don't forget to take an action, to believe in yourself, to trust in yourself and the process of the universe. Okay? And we have here, this is your energy in the immediate future, the Eight of Swords. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Gemini, double confirmation. Or you have a Gemini in your birth chart. You look the Magician. It could also be other sign. I feel like somebody here is feeling stuck and trapped with an old energy. I don't feel that this is you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. But if this is your energy, the universe advises you to clear up your mindset. It's because this is only a temporary scenario and it won't last longer. There are things in our lives that our minds couldn't explain. That's why the universe advised you here to listen to your intuition, the voice of your wisdom, the voice of your heart and body. The truth is, you are not blindfolded here and you are not trapped. This is your energy. Others of you, it could also be that you are dealing with this person, and this person is feeling stuck and trapped, feeling confused. It could also be that these are the group of people in the past. Could be in your workplace, could also be in your family, could also be in your friend circle, could also be your ex or in the community. And this person or group of people are feeling confused and stuck. It's because I feel like in the past, they did everything to knock you down. They did everything to slay you down. They did everything to destroy you. And it was failed. And now this group of people or person is feeling stuck. They couldn't believe that you still rise. They couldn't believe that you are manifesting your dreams. They couldn't believe that you can manifest whatever you want. And that's why this group of people are feeling confused. Could also be a Gemini. Could also be the group of people in your family, in your workplace, in your friend circle, in the community, in or your ex. And now I hear that for some of them, they are facing in the spiritual court, in the jail, because of what they have done to you. Maybe for some of you, you still have contact with this group of people. Maybe in your workplace, you cannot see them that they are, they are receiving their karma. But the truth is that inside them, their guilt eating them out. It's because of what they have done to you. Yeah. These people are good pretenders. Maybe they're just laughing in front of you when they are your coworkers and smiling on you, that pretending nothing's happened. But the truth is that their guilt eating them inside. If this is your family, this group of people are feeling confused, stuck, and remorse. Take only what fits in your story, or it could also be that you are dealing with a Gemini, and this is the feeling of the person now. Okay? And this is your energy in the immediate future. The universe advises you here to rest and calm your mind, and to listen to your intuition. Okay? And we have here your hopes and fears is the moon. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Pisces, double confirmation. Or you have a Pisces in your birth chart. You look. The 9 of Cups, the 8 of Cups, and the 10 of Cups. It could also be that for some of you, you are dealing with a Pisces, or you have a Pisces in your birth chart. Not necessary. It could also be other sign. I feel like somebody here is keeping secrets, or it could also be that there is a secret here being revealed. It could also be that somebody here wants to reveal their feelings towards on you. It could also be that there is a deception here. The universe advises you to listen to your intuition and to pay attention to your dreams and the synchronicities. It could also be that it will reveal through your dreams, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Because it could also be that this is related to in your workplace, in your family, could also be related to your partnership, could also be your friend circle, or in the community. I don't know what you have. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And let me see your the final outcome of this reading. We have here the King of Cups. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Pisces, or you have a Pisces in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign. It could also be the same water sign you are dealing with. I feel like this is your energy, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. You have an emotional intelligence. You become this King and Queen of Cups. It's because of what you have experienced in the past. You manage to control your own emotion, and you also having an emotional intelligence. Others of you are unshakable because you knew when to react and not to react. You are the master of your own emotion. It doesn't matter if you are male or female. It's because in tarot there is no gender. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And this is the final outcome in this reading. Congratulations. You are now the control of your own emotion. You have matured emotionally. You are the master of your own emotion. And we have here, Jesus Christ. This is the outside influence in this reading. The 10 of Wands. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Sagittarius, or you have a Sagittarius in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign. I feel like you managed to close this cycle. These burdens that you carried too long in your shoulder, you realize that you have your own burdens as well. Could also be that there are people in your life, not only one. These are the group of people who put you all these burdens in your shoulder. Maybe in your family, could also be in your workplace, could also be in your community, could also be your ex or your friends circle, because this is the past and you managed to close this cycle. I feel like in the past there are lots of people who let you carry their obligations and responsibilities on your shoulder. If this is in your workplace, it could also be that there are lots of colleagues at work who let you work and they are not helping you. It could also be that your boss are never reciprocating your hard work. Others of you, I feel like there are groups of people in your workplace, especially when you are in a toxic workplace. They are laughing in front of you because you work too much. And in fact, they have more higher salary than you. And I feel as well that your boss is including conniving in this group. Because you look at Scorpio, he or she worked too hard, but she never received a promotion or a higher salary, and they are laughing on you. But you are ignoring them because you want to continue your work, because you want to finish your work. Although you have pain in your heart because of this group of people who are taking you for granted, who are taking your kindness as your weakness. This group of people who are exploiting your generosity, your kindness, and your compassion towards on them. And now you realize that you don't have to carry these burdens in your shoulder. If this is in your family, could also be that there are people in your family who wants you to carry their own responsibilities and obligations in your shoulder because of your nature. You are very generous, you are very compassionate, you are very kind and helpful to these people, and you are not reciprocated here. And in the end, you realize that You have your own burdens to carry. That's why you close this cycle. The universe will give you a justice here if you are working hard. And that's your hard work is going to pay off. Take only what fits in your story. It could also be that you are dealing with a Sagittarius. And this is the reason why. Like you are carrying the heavy weight in your shoulders. Because this person giving you all the obligations and responsibilities. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And to clarify the outcome of your reading is the Page of Wands. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Sagittarius. Or you have a Sagittarius in your birth chart. You look double confirmation. The Ten of Wands. It could also be other sign. I feel like this is a message. For some of you, you are accepting this challenge because you have a passion and desire. You are also very excited to create these new ideas, this new creative spark. Others of you guys, it could also be that you are curious. You are very enthusiastic. You are very adventurous and you are taking an action with this new creative spark. Could also be a new ideas. It could also be a new passion and desire that will lead you to a platonic and a romantic relationship. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And clarify me, please. Wow. Clarify me, please, the Eight of Cups in this reading. Why the Eight of Cups in this reading, please? Show me the cards what I need to see for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Why the Eight of Cups in this reading? Tell me more about the Eight of Cups here. Why the Eight of Cups here, please? The Eight of Cups is clarified as Quadrat, challenges and disharmony. This is a German language astro cards. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are experiencing too much challenges in this relationship and disharmony. You look. Could also be that somebody here putting you in a third party situation, a love triangle. And that's why somebody here is withdrawn in this scenario. Because I feel like you have too much challenges and disharmony in this relationship. And for you, it's enough. Could also be that you are dealing with a Pisces. Could also be that this is related to your partnership or in the workplace. I don't know what you have. Could also be in the family, your friend circle, or in the community. And somebody here never reciprocated in this scenario. And that's why you withdrawn, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Because you realize that there's no use of holding on with this situationship. You withdrawn and you walk away. It's because of too much challenges and disharmony. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here, why the Ten of Wands here? Tell me more about the Ten of Wands in this reading. Show me the cards what I need to see, please, for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Why the Ten of Wands here? Show me the cards what I need to see, please. Give me that accurate and clear reading for the star sign of Scorpio. The Ten of Wands is clarified as thrilling, Zwilling is a German language which stands for twins, and this is Gemini. The communicative is communication. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Gemini. You look, double confirmation. The Magician here is embodied the energy of a Gemini. You look, or you have a Gemini in your birth chart. And this is the confirmation of the 10 of Wands. Others of you, it could also be that this person who embodied the energy of Sagittarius wants to communicate with you. It could also be that you are dealing with a Gemini, and Gemini wants to communicate with you, or you want to communicate with this person. I feel like in the past, this person give you all the responsibilities and obligations to carry these obligations and responsibilities on your shoulder. Sorry guys, I'm going to speak German. And could be that you are dealing with either Gemini or Sagittarius. Somebody here wants to communicate. Somebody here could be blocking the throat chakra, and there is no communication here. And now somebody here wants to communicate. It could be you or the person you are dealing with. Take only what fits in your story. It's because in tarot, it could also be reversal. Either you are dealing with Sagittarius or Gemini. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And clarify me please the Eight of Swords here. Why the Eight of Swords in this reading? Tell me more about the Eight of Swords in this reading. Every time when I read the Eight of Swords is always come out. Oh yeah. Why the Eight of Swords here for my beautiful souls is Scorpio? What happens with Scorpio? The Eight of Swords is clarified as the Sun. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Leo, or you have a Leo in your birth chart. This is the clarification of, just a minute. This is the clarification of the Eight of Swords. You look. Could also be that this person is in your family. Could also be in your workplace, your ex-friends, your ex-lover, or in the community. Could be that you are dealing with a Leo, because this is the clarification of the Eight of Swords. The Leo, or you have a Leo in your birth chart. Could also be that this person causes too much pain and burdens in your mind and in your heart. Could also be that this person slandered your name in the past, gossiping lies about you, backstabbing you, manipulating you, dragging your name into the mud. This person wants to backstab you. This person wants to destroy you, to mock you down. You look at the swords. Could be a Leo, because this is the clarification of the Eight of Swords. Either you are dealing here with Leo or Gemini. And now, because whatever they did to you failed, it is now backfire. You look, they are now trapped in a spiritual jail. They are confused, feeling stuck. You are not stuck, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. You have a wish fulfillment here. You look, you have here wish fulfillment, and you can manifest as well whatever you want, because everything is under your control. You look, and plus you have the Wheel of Fortune. The wheel is turning in your favor here. You look, you have here good luck, good fortune, and good karma. And these people who tried to destroy you in the past, are now facing in the spiritual court or in a spiritual jail. They are stuck and trapped. For some of them, guys, I hear that they have a mental anguish and they doesn't know what to do. Yeah. Either you are dealing with Gemini or Leo. Could also be a group of people. Maybe in your workplace, in your family, your friend circle. Could also be your neighbors in the community or your ex. Could also be that you have a Leo or Gemini ex. Take only what fits in your story, okay? Others of you guys, you are heading towards your happiness, your growth, prosperity, and abundance. Congratulations. It could also be that you are already healing your past trauma. This is more on positivity. Your life is like the vibrance of the summer shines into your life. Your life is stunning, your life is flourishing, and you are following your heart. There is growth and prosperity here, success and abundance. It could also be that you are going to welcome a newborn baby here in your family. Take only what fits in your story, or this is your feelings that you feel like you are a newborn child. It's because after all what these people did to you, look, they tried to destroy you. They engaged you into a black magic. They did everything. They slander your name. But they failed. You come out. You find the light at the end of the tunnel. And this is your happiness. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And clarified me please the moon here. Why the moon in this reading? Tell me more about the moon in this reading, please. Thank you, spirits. The moon is clarified as the 12th house. The 12th house is the Pisces. Double confirmation. Could also be that you are dealing with a Pisces. Or you have a Pisces in your birth chart. This is a German language astro card. This is related to spirituality and art. This is the Pisces energy, the 12th house. You look. And the moon is also a Pisces energy. Could be that you are dealing with a Pisces or you have a Pisces in your birth chart. It could also be that this person wants to reveal their secrets towards on you. It could also be that this person deceiving you. There is a deception here in the past. Yeah, there is no clarity, vagueness in this scenario. It could also be that this person secret is about to rebuild or going to rebuild. I don't know what job, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Take only what fits in your story. Yeah. It could also be as well that these secrets will reveal on the Pisces season. Because this is the Pisces. Could also be this spring season because Pisces is a water sign and water sign is normally in spring season. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And why? The Wheel of Fortune here. Wow. It's a great reading. Great cards I have. Why the Wheel of Fortune here for the star sign of Scorpio? Tell me more about the Wheel of Fortune in this reading, please. The Wheel of Fortune is clarified as this is the South Node. This is the old karma. For some of you guys, it's a German language astro card, sorry. For some of you guys, it could also be that this is your karma, because I feel like in the past you worked too hard, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, and there are lots of people who are exploiting you, especially your generosity in the workplace. And now the universe will give you this good luck, good fortune, and good karma. This is what the people did to you in the past. Maybe you are carrying the heavy weight in your shoulders in the past with these responsibilities and obligation of the people who are taking you for granted, who are exploiting your kindness and generosity. And now, your hard work is being paid off, and you will receive your karma. Yeah, your karma is a good karma, of course, and this is your abundance. You look, this is your wish fulfillment, and you look, your manifestations here is also being, you look, being granted. You look, 9 of Cups, and you have everything under your control. Whatever you manifest, the divine universe give you your the karma for what you have undergone in the past. You have gone through. You look, the 10 of Wands and the 8 of Swords. Where is the 8 of Swords? Just a minute. You have undergone so much in your life, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. And I feel like the universe will give you this. You are deserving with this. Whatever you manifest in your life. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Okay? And congratulations. That ends your readings for today. I hope you enjoy your reading. And if it is resonates to you guys, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you for joining me here, for all your support to my channel, and for your comments, likes, and thumbs up. Until the next time, I love you all. Bye.